Ready to have your mind blown? Repeat after me and watch what happens during the next 48 hours. But the trick to all of this is you have to feel that what I'm about to say is your new truth. No hoping this is going to work out, no wishing things are going to happen. You have to know and believe that what we're about to say out loud is your new truth. Because you and I are living in a place that we can alter based on a change in consciousness. The only reason why you experience what you experience is because your consciousness is on your current timeline. It's literally the multiverse. There are a series of timelines all over the place. And if I can help you jump from one timeline to another timeline, your desired manifestations are going to come in a very different and a lot quicker way. This has happened to me so many times before. I went from literally earning nothing to having $100,000 months, from having nothing going on to having dream living and dream vacations and things happening that were quantum leaps in my life. All because it was a change in timelines. Not just because of work, not just because of grinding it out, not just because of hustling. It's because my consciousness changed into a different timeline. And that's what we're going to do for you as well. Now, if you're okay with that, throw a like on this video to already get in motion the claiming that you are ready for a new timeline. And make sure you do this video from start to finish, because the blessed energy that's being activated throughout, you need just as much as the beginning of what we're going to say truth, as much as the end. We're going to activate this into your life. Are you ready? Take a deep breath in, a deep breath out, nowhere to go, nothing to do, just be right here in this eternal present. And before we jump into it, make sure you're subscribed and bookmark this video so you come back to the video and let us know the amazing results that happen. This has been happening on my videos. If you haven't noticed or you're brand new to my channel, if you look at the comment section, the amount of people are seeing the signs, the results, and the alignment is incredible. And I want that to be you as well, but you got to do the whole video or else it's not going to activate. Now, repeat exactly after me. The multiverse exists. And I am ready to jump parallel realities now. I will now be in the desired timeline of my life. And I am now sinking into the desired timeline. This is a vibrational journey. And since vibration equals feeling, I change my feelings. I now feel chronically at ease and relieved. Even before anything has changed in my life. This is just a fun game to play. And now I know the rules on how to win. One of those rules is the language of the universe, which speaks in energy, not words. So I speak the energy of prosperity, not through words. Wow, something amazing just happened. I just had a quantum leap overnight. I literally am shifting timelines overnight. Before we go into part 2, listen into this quick message. Doing the exercise we're doing right now works, but to truly master manifesting, you need daily direction in an elite environment outside of YouTube. That's why I've created the Manifestation Accelerator. It's an 84-module system. It takes 5 minutes a day, and all the practices you're going to need to rewire your subconscious. You'll join our soul tribe, get myself and my team's personal support, and also access to our 5-day challenge to manifest $1,000 or more. So join us inside the course. It's just $22 a month, and it's where the sustainable, real transformation happens permanently. I'll see you inside. Now, part 2 is about activating. Repeat after me. I activate the feeling of safety with abundance. It's safe for me to thrive. It's safe for me to make $1 million or more. It's safe for me to be the first multimillionaire in my family. It's safe for me to quantum leap and actually win. I'm the one. I'm the one. I'm the one. It's safe for me to attract money with no effort. It's safe for me to enjoy life. It's safe for me to follow my dreams and ambitions. My family did the best they could with what they had. But I'm the one to lead the way on new changes. And I've been gifted the strength and awareness to do so. Wow, something amazing happened again. I had another leap overnight. I am truly becoming who I was born to become in this life. I feel so grateful and tears of joy. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. And so it is. Now, to solidify all this, comment below, I'm shifting to my desired timeline now. I'm shifting to my desired timeline now. And share this video with at least one person, maybe even 3. And as you're doing so, bless them in their desired timeline, because what it's going to do is amplify your timeline and desired speed. Because remember, as you increase others, you're increasing yourself. I also encourage you watch this video again within 24 hours and do the activation exercise one more time. Your subconscious mind needs to feel safe with your growing abundance, your growing prosperity, and the filled bank accounts you're looking for. But the only way it feels safe if it heals through all the feelings of why it was unsafe in the first place, and you practice it feeling safe to hold thriving abundance in your mind. The subconscious mind does not know what's real and what's imagined. So if you practice an imagined reality over and over and over, that's what becomes your new norm. I appreciate you tremendously. Keep expanding, and I can't wait to see the wins that come through. Scott Haug signing off here. I'll see you over in the next video.